Hello, you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lucy Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel, and turn that notification bell on because I'm uploading just here, there and everywhere at the moment, so it's best just to keep that notification bell on so you don't miss anything. If you watched yesterday's video, that was a video that I actually filmed like maybe 4 or 5 days before it went up. So the day that you're watching this is the day that I'm filming it, and I just want to say thank you so much for 14,000 subscribers. What the fuck? Like, it blew my mind. We recently just hit that, and I just think that's absolutely crazy. So yeah, I just wanted to start off by saying thank you so much. If you are new, please hit subscribe and join my YouTube family. We are growing so much at the moment. Like, last time I checked, we were already at 14,030, which is like crazy for my little channel. So thank you so much if you have recently joined or if you are a long-term subscriber. Yeah, just thank you so much. So yeah, let's get straight into today's video. I did quite a few questions on my community tab and asked you because I have a lot of advent calendars left, and I'm very aware that literally in 2 days time it's going to be the 1st of December. So I wanted to know whether you actually still wanted to see them or not, because I don't want to put them up if you aren't really that bothered about it. But the majority of you said yes, so I'm going to do it for you. So this one today is going to be the I Heart Revolution 12 Days of Chocolate Advent Calendar, and when you open it up, she just looks like this. Oh my god, I've not even opened this for work to know what's inside it. I've not been given any work to do with it. If you don't know, by the way, I work for Revolution, so I will tell you otherwise, but majority of the things in my videos that are Revolution will now have been given to me from work, and I can use that obviously in my YouTube video as well. So that is the same for today's one, but I've just checked to see how much it's actually worth. So it normally retails for £30 and it is discounted at the moment to £12. £12. If you want this, get it now, because that is a bargain and a half. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. So we have day number 1. This is one of them ones where you have to like break it with your fingers. So I hope that it's a nice one to break into. Oh, that was satisfying. So day number 1, we have a brush. I think my advent calendar might have moved around because I can see a palette, and the palette's not meant to be there, so this might be quite interesting. So we have a brush behind day number 1. I love that it's a full-sized one. I don't really know what I'd use this one for. Maybe highlighter, maybe, because it's quite like thin as well. But yeah, that is behind day 1. And then day 2, we have at the top, yeah, my advent calendar has definitely moved around because there's things where there shouldn't be. So we have for day number 2 the I Heart Revolution chocolate lip gloss. This is the milk chocolate shade. I love their lip glosses, the chocolate ones, and they smell unbelievable as well. So really happy to get that behind day 2. And obviously this is a 12-day advent calendar, so if you did get it for when it's on the £12 price, you're literally paying £1 per door. So £1 for a lipstick and a full-size brush. I'm all about that. I cannot get into this. I can't get into this one. Day number 3, we have a pocket mirror. For £1, I'm not bothered about it, but I just wish brands would stop putting pocket mirrors in advent calendars, because we are literally drowning in them. Like, we don't need any more. I do feel like it's a very easy filler for all brands to put a pocket mirror in. So day number 4, which is a really good one. This is a blusher. That is beautiful. Obviously I've done my lights, by the way, to match the advent calendar. But this is a blusher in the shade Ruby Cocoa. I really hope that this isn't another advent calendar product that I fall in love with that I can't repurchase, because I've literally just finished up an advent calendar translucent powder from last year, and I will think about that until the day I die, because it was just an amazing powder, and I can never buy it again because it was just an advent calendar one. It wasn't like a one that you can repurchase. In number 5, we have again another full-size brush. This would be perfect for my little itty bitty eyes, to do a cut crease. So very happy with that, and happy that it's full size. And then day 6 is a very funky shape. So let's see what's in this one. Ooh, okay, so it's a lip gloss. This is the I Heart Revolution chocolate lip gloss, and this is just what it looks like. Again, matches it all. I'm very happy with all the the matchy matchy. And then we have day 7. Day 7 we have a eyeliner, so it just looks like this. Let's do a little swatch. Ooh, that is creamy. So that is a black eyeliner. And then we have day number 8, which is again a very, very long skinny one. Oh, this one is another brush. And this one is a angled brush, and you can see there. So obviously this one will be more for kind of doing your brows. So that is day number 8. I wish that there wasn't as many brushes in here, but for the price of it, like, it's an absolute bargain. Day number 9, what is this? I Heart Revolution brow gel. Bit of me. So this is a clear brow gel. Again, I do think in advent calendars they need to put a clear one in. I do prefer a tinted brow gel, but they won't be able to get everyone's colour right, so clear is the way to go for advent calendars. 100% agree. Day number 10. It's stuck underneath. My finger. We have another lip gloss. This one is in the shade Berry. Let's see what they look like compared to each other. Oh yeah, you can definitely tell the difference. Let's see what this one smells like. Oh, it just smells like chocolate. So that is behind day number 10. Day number 11, we have another square one. And this is a highlighter. I don't know whether this might be, yeah, I think this is going to be too, yeah, it's definitely going to be too dark for me. But we can use this as an eyeshadow, that's all okay. And this is obviously the shade Cocoa highlighter, like that. I do feel like highlighter is a hard one to get in an advent calendar because how are you gonna get it to match everybody? I always feel like that with bronzers as well. I get very confused why brands put bronzers in, because how are you gonna get it so it matches everybody? So as you can tell, day number 12 is not there because it's over here. Which was behind day number 1 when I first opened that one. This is the Pink Pepper shadow palette. Honestly, the packaging of this, oh, this is beautiful. Ooh, look at that one. No, this one. That is beautiful. Okay, so this is the Pink Pepper shadow palette. Absolutely stunning. I think it's this shade, this one and this one really, really make it for me. But I do actually really like this one, but that isn't a matte, but you could definitely use it as a matte. So yeah, that is a 8 shadow palette. Again, if you got this for £12, that would be like £1 for that. Unbelievable. So yeah, that is the 12 days of chocolate I Heart Revolution advent calendar. I hope they do another one of these next year because I really like that, and for 12 quid you can't go wrong. So yeah, if you want to get it now whilst it's up for an absolute bargain. So in it, obviously you're getting the blusher. Oh, I'm so excited to try this. The highlighter, the pocket mirror, you're getting a squeezy tube lip gloss, 2 of like the chocolate lip glosses, which are beautiful. I think it's salted caramel that I really like from it. Don't quote me on that, but I'm sure that's the one that I used to always put on. And then we have, ooh, hiccups. And then we have 3 full-size brushes, a black eyeliner, a brow gel, and then a shadow palette. But yeah, that is everything that is in this advent calendar. I'd love to know what you think down below. Have you picked it up, or what advent calendar are you getting this year? I actually, apart from obviously ones that I've bought for like my YouTube reviews, I haven't actually like picked up one myself for myself, if it makes any sense. But yeah, I'd love to know which one you have bought. Thank you so much for watching. I'll hopefully see you tomorrow for a brand new video. Love you so much. Thank you so much. Peace out.